All right, we have some very warm weather moving into South Florida the next few days with the heat index. We're looking at 100 to 105 and temperatures still in the mid 80s. So it's not going to take very much to get into the low and mid 90s for tomorrow's daytime highs. We're almost at our overnight lows. The last of the rainfall still holding on around Vero all the way back along the beaches and trying to make it to 95. It's not going to last more than another half an hour. It's all done around the lake, and that storm that was just southwest of the lake is also fizzled out. Here's the hour-by-hour forecast. So if you're headed out in the morning, looks good, partly sunny, hot and humid. Beat the heat and beat the rain by getting out early because afternoon storms are a good bet. And I think our strongest storms will be late in the afternoon. Here's the timeline. 9 in the morning looks good, a stray shower along the coastline, perhaps a few wet roads. There's 1 p.m. A line of rainfall working through, but as we get into the late afternoon and evening, that's when things really start to get going. There's 8 p.m. Look at these storms as they move through Florida, and I suspect we could see at least isolated severe, certainly some strong storms pop up late tomorrow and tomorrow evening. It's all part or loosely tied to this weather system that's coming off the Carolina and Georgia coastline. It gets over some warm water. It does have the chance to develop into something. It's a low chance at this point, and then it moves back toward Florida. Here's a better look at it. Here's the Vipercast model. So once it's over that open water, it's a closed low, starts to push back toward Florida. And we have the threat here, not so much for winds, but for heavy downpours and the threat for some flooding too. More so in Palm Beach County, Broward, and Miami-Dade. Seas running about 1 to 2 tomorrow, smooth for the inland waters. As I said, get out early if you're heading out. 80 overnight. Any rain that's still around, there's not much. It ends soon, and then a clearing sky. Tomorrow, afternoon storms. I think we're going to get 2 waves of storms and rainfall. The first early afternoon. Then it heats up even more, and we get those strong storms and maybe an isolated severe storm by tomorrow evening. The 7-day forecast, heavy downpours possible Saturday and Sunday. It's not going to be a washout, not even close, but you're going to have to get out early to beat those big storms in the afternoon.